My hat's gonna blow off. We are currently on a boat trip to Komodo Island.
We're on Padar Island right now, behind our group, taking a hike to get this.
We're out of breath.
I'm so out of shape.
We're already out of breath.
I didn't sleep much either, but we're on this crazy boat trip. It's amazing, it's beautiful, it's morning, it's early. I don't even know what time it is.
Too early.
Busy day of snorkeling, Komodo dragons.
Manta rays, sea turtles.
Pink beach.
Pink beach, all of it.
All of it.
So
thanks for joining us.
let's just get into it. Let's go. 800 and something steps here.
This looks like a storybook.
It's giving me Kauai vibes in Hawaii, but it's beautiful.
It's gorgeous.
Everyone said this was like the hike you had to do out here, and so we found a tour group that would take us here, go all the way to the top, beautiful views up there, and then hopefully jumping in the water.
This is an 11-hour trip, started at 5:30 this morning. Pick up at the hotel, jumped on the boat. Apparently this photograph at the top of this hike is like very, very Instagrammable.
Some might even say epic. We don't, because we don't use that word on our channel.
You just did.
Some might.
Our very friendly guide told us there are these beautiful orange, green, gold snakes. But then he said they're very poisonous. So as much as I'd like to see one, maybe I don't want to see one.
This humidity, it'll get you. Kind of unreal. And the sun's not even really out. We're actually fortunate enough to have some clouds in front of the sun right now, which I think is saving our skin and our lives. But we're almost there. I can see the top. Thank you. We made it.
This might be the sweatiest I've been on this vlog since
Jakarta.
Yeah, but look at this.
Thank you so much.
Worth it.
Does it get any better than that? This rock is poking into
Does that rock hurt?
my butt right now. There's deer over there.
These deer actually love me and want me to come pet them, but I'm gonna give them some space, I think. They're looking for coconuts, I've been told. We're at our next stop, the Pink Beach. So we're gonna walk around here and maybe get in the water. It's very warm.
We're at Pink Beach. I believe that's what it's called. I'm sure there's an official name for it. Really dead coral that makes the pink color on this beach. Wow. Ooh, it's salty.
The ocean is salty.
Shut up.
It is like colder water than I expected.
Like you said, once you get in, Pink Beach, bitches!
What's wrong with you? You see the mermaid, everybody? Look at the mermaid.
This is the second stop. We still have like 3 more?
5 more.
5 more?
7-stop trip.
7 stop, okay.
An 11-hour tour. You okay, bro?
Yeah.
Walking onto Komodo Island, the largest island in this group.
This is the 3rd stop on our tour, and we are here to see the Komodo dragons.
I see one right. I'm literally looking at one walking on the beach.
They preface it with like, we can't guarantee that you're going to see them because they're wild animals, blah blah blah. We already saw.
There's one on the beach right there.
On the beach. Not on a boat.
Officially, Komodo Island.
Jurassic Park? Why did you say Jurassic Park?
I was joking.
It looks like the entrance to Jurassic Park, doesn't it?
And these dragons are like dinosaurs,
They're
basically.
like dinosaurs. Probably one of the closest things to them, right? I hope we get to see one up close.
It's like you read about these when you're a kid, and then like here we are. What is this? Wow.
Where are we? We're gonna go see if we can find that Komodo dragon on the beach now. If he's still there. It's right here in front of us. This is so cool.
This one loves me. We're looking at each other. He wins the staring contest. You like that, Katrina?
Yeah, it's cool. I mean, when they tell you that like there's a chance you might not see any, and we've seen like 4, 5? I don't know, we've seen a lot.
Katrina's in front of me filming mini vlog content. That's exclusive on the Patreon. To those of you who joined the Patreon, thank you, we love you. To those of you who haven't, maybe you want to do that.
For the population of this island.
We saw a deer run by the watering hole where that Komodo dragon was. That deer is like, that's lunch for the Komodo dragon.
Well, yeah.
If he gets him.
The deer's just trying to get some water. The deer is not afraid of people either.
No, they said Komodo dragons only eat once a month.
Yeah, but they eat 40 to 50 kilograms of food.
Meat only.
Yeah. And they can eat each other too.
They are cannibals.
They're cannibals. They eat their babies sometimes if they have to.
Jeepers.
Yay.
that's Komodo Island. We're off to go snorkeling now, Katrina.
Yeah, we have 3 stops. We're gonna try and see sea turtles, manta rays, and we're going to a sand beach. It's like a sandbar.
This is gonna be fun.
The ocean, so.
I'm excited.
Yeah, me too.
We saw Komodo
Oh
dragons.
my God. Like, we lucked out. We saw, what did you say, 6, 7?
Six.
6 of them. So, you know, you win some, you lose some. Today, we won some. We're getting back on the boat, not on the pier, so we have to take our shoes off. Oh, wade through the water. Sandbank, surrounded by beautiful islands. We're only here for about 30 minutes. It's very warm. We're gonna cool off, and then we're going to continue on to snorkel.
The name of the sea is. It might be the Komodo Sea, but we're out in the middle of the sea. But yeah, the water's very shallow here. That's the gimmick. Like those legs?
Look at where we are. I mean, this place is insane.
Good? was our trip to the Komodo National Forest.
It's great. I had so much fun. That was like the best way to spend 11 hours.